Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the stand on your KOORUI GN10 mini LED gaming monitor. If you're interested in this monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get our stand set up. Stand installation consists of two pieces here. We have the base plate and then the monitor arm. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach both of these pieces together. And you'll notice we have tool-free installation here, which is nice. You could use a screwdriver if you really wanted to, but we're going to line both of these up. It should only fit in here one way and slide right in. It'll look just like this, but we got to flip it around and tighten and thread this screw in place. And again, it can just be finger tight. If you get it too snug though and you can't loosen it, then you can grab that screwdriver. But there we go. We just put the stand together. And our next step is going to be to snap it in place on our monitor. So you'll see how this is going to line up here. We got these tabs, these metal tabs. So it'll slide basically up and in, and it clips right in. So now we have everything all set and ready to go. If for some reason you want to remove this in the future, there's a little lever in the back you can press right there so you can easily take it out. But line it up, and then everything just snaps in place. Just like that, snaps in. Now we're ready to tip everything up, and there we go. We now have our stand fully assembled and installed. So with the included stand, let me walk you through its features. So we can adjust the height. It's all supported under its own weight. So there's our lowest height. Then we can go anywhere in between, raise it up, and then that's going to be our max height. You'll see we have the option we can swivel it to the left and to the right. And then if we want to try to rotate this, we have the ability to change our viewing experience. We can go from horizontal to vertical, landscape to portrait. It won't go all the way around like 360, but you can pivot it both ways. And it'll stop you right there. And then we have our tilt adjustment. So if that's going to be our max tilt down, then we can tilt it back. So not much down, but plenty back. And this is one of the coolest stands I've ever seen. I really like how this looks, but get a feel for that right there. So to adjust the height by basically just moving that portion up and down on the arm. Again, all under its own tension, stays where it needs to be. Then you have the ability to swivel, to rotate it, to tilt. Really, really like how that looks.